Building an interactive online learning experience used to require a massive team and months of planning. Today, we're looking at an AI tool designed to help you build, structure, and launch an engaging curriculum in a fraction of the time. Let's go. All right, everybody. So it's time to create your dream course now. The best part about this is you do not need to be an educational mastermind, and we're going to show you how to create the awesome curriculum. So if you can type a prompt like you would in ChatGPT or an LLM, you can create a full comprehensive course syllabus. And this is super easy. And we're going to see how to do it by dragging and dropping modules. And we're taking a look at the whole site. So as you can see right here, CourseBox is going to give you everything. So stop trying to create those courses manually, and we're going to see how you can do it. As you can see, there's multiple people with different types of skills that can do it. If you can prompt, you can make a course. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to go to start free right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. All right. So we can see our dashboard looks good. We can see our schedule calendar. I'm going to go ahead, come down here to my courses, and then go ahead and create. So here I'm going to just go and put in some information. The nice thing is you have an automatic generation, targeted quizzes, everything like that. And you can see here, create a comprehensive beginner to intro online course, client success mastery. And the course should help freelancers, and services provide improved client retention. So very, very simple. It doesn't have to be anything too crazy. We're going to help freelancers, consultants, and agencies improve. And we have 8 detailed modules. And also translate this if we so choose. So that's one thing that I really like. So that's all done. Now we can go ahead and generate it. And this is going to give me all these things. So now it's just drafting. So literally, if you can prompt, you can create a course. That's how simple it is. Now we have all the sections, the mastery, and that's what I like. We have the generation of targeted courses, quizzes based on the specific lesson material. We even have gamification elements, so you can get people excited, like leaderboards, badges, and students can come in and then complete their modules and say, wow, this is amazing. I'm doing something. I can also, on the side here, give it less assignments though. So people aren't spending so much time with assignments. They're just hitting through the course. And we have the AI conversation simulation, or the AI scenario for practical hands-on for student practice. So we can generate a highly realistic AI avatar, as you can see right here in minutes, using a photo or an upload. And then we can show people the actual course. Look how good this course looks. And if you're looking at active learning features, this is going to help with encouragement, engagement, getting people to participate, getting people into interactive learning. So I can go here and edit this, and I can adjust the different settings so it looks really, really good. So here we can see I can go ahead, change some of the text up, make it look good, make it look nice and polished. And then we can just go ahead and scroll down here, make sure everything looks good. I want to make sure of that. And then can exit out. You can use my AI for conversation on the right-hand side here. You can add images, videos, quizzes, all of that stuff. And that gives you instant in-demand support. That's one thing I really, really like. So we're looking through here. We can see text. We can see assignments. I can add quotes, list numbers. You can edit every single part of this so it looks really, really good. And this is going to help people just engage with it, participate, create a more interactive learning environment than just like, okay, here's a passive video lecture, because a lot of those people just watch and then move on. And I really, really like that as well. So we can see, we can change the headings here and change the information. We can go through here and make sure it looks good. And now after we're done with that, we can go ahead and click on the AI here. I'm going to take a look and see the different options. So I can add all of those if I so choose. And then we can come here, add a quiz, boom, we have a new quiz, and quizzes help with retention, also gamification, so I can describe what I want it for there. So very simple here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a look here for the AI quiz writer. I can see the grade, which looks good. I'm going to go ahead, test that. Let's put that to 81. We're looking through here, can add that some more. Take a look at all the information here. So that looks good. I can preview it. Boom. And this looks all good to me. So we have the course built, and that's really, really amazing right here. So all we have to do, search through, we can add certs, we can add badges, all that. And then we can export the course as a SCORM package for, corporate LS, and we can also remove or adjust the white label settings so we have strict consistency with our brand. So here we have the certs, and that's what I really like. It's very, very simple to do all of this. We can see the title, the award, the points, where to search, everything like that. So if we want to create gamification for badges, certificates, anything like that, we can definitely do so. Then I'll look through here. We can go ahead and generate the AI scenario. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have that ready to go, and we can generate another scenario. So pretty simple here. If I want to keep expanding, I can go ahead and do that. Very, very simple. So manage unhappy client after delivery day. Hopefully your clients are happy, but let's go ahead and start this scenario and see what it looks like. So you can see the AI, the information here. Everything looks good. Excellent. Yeah, so I'm just going to go through these options here. I'm going to click on them, and then I'm going to look through here and add another block. We can add some videos. So who doesn't like some videos? Not that I want to make it all videos, obviously, but we can add some more videos. We have the video link here, so we can do that. So the AI video. You can see all that information here, and I can also create my own avatars. So I can upload the video here or photo if I so choose. That makes it very, very simple and easy to do. And this is also the available avatars that we can add. So if you want somebody who's going to be lecturing, if you want somebody who's going to give information, that's really interesting because you can generate highly realistic AI avatars in minutes using a single photo. So you can use your photo or you can use the available avatars here. And that's why this is so nice. You can even get voices for them. Arcade, Oris, anyone that you want. Also here you can add your logos, your information, all that type of stuff. And we can see the welcome, the information here. So that makes it very, very simple to go ahead and add. You can see the templates, the upload, the color, everything is here. So it doesn't get much simpler than this, especially if you want an instructor and say you're not comfortable on camera. That's why the AI avatar is so powerful, because now you have the ability to put a template, an AI avatar, so it looks absolutely professional. So when they come in, they see an AI video and they're ready and good to go. So now we can see our course. You can see all the information here. So he's going ahead. This is really nice. We have a very polished and professional intro here. It looks really, really good. And I think a lot of people are going to resonate with that and say, wow, this does, feel really realistic. It feels really, it's really interesting to see that. We can go ahead and switch and toggle on and off. So I can go ahead and come to the flip cards, the info tabs, the accordion, the hotspot image, anything I want to add here. So let's play with flip cards. We can see this here. So I have the front. We also have the back, so I can flip the card, back of the card, and look how cool that looks. Also, I can play around with it and see what's going on. We got the client success outcome, flip that, flip the back. You have delivery versus success. I can flip that, flip the back. Support versus success, flip that, flip it back, and even trust behaviors. So I can look through everything. Now we can change up the theme. You can see there's different colors right here. If you want to change primary, if you want to make it look brown or orange or whatever it is that you want to choose, you can do that here. I also have the heading color right here. So I can go ahead and adjust that in addition to the body text color. So everything is going to be adjusted and it's going to look really, really good. And how about that? I think this looks much better. We got the color scheme going. It looks really, really good. And now we're just going to go ahead and see what we got here. All right. So we're going to come to more. We're going to come to the AI tutor. And then this is going to help for the custom tutor. And go ahead and click on it. Click on this one. We can see how this looks. So I can add, obviously, my own icon, my own avatar here. So now I can open this up, and the AI tutor you can interact with. So you can type to it, you can ask questions, you can do different stuff like that. You can explain different things. So here, I'm going to explain how to recover client trust after missing a project deadline. Let's see what it says. And here we can actually see the whole explanation. So it makes sense. It's ready to go. And then I can type another message right here. So I can go through here, and then to the left, we can see all the information, everything that's going on. and then we can go ahead and share this. So I can come here, I can, depending on what I want to do. If you want to sell this course, you can link Stripe or you can link Paysac, and you can actually sell this directly. So if you want to sell this to someone, you can. If you want to go ahead and download it or put it in SCORM. So that's the best part. You can actually export the finished course as a SCORM package, corporate LMS integration. So if you want to do that, that's definitely a good possibility. And you can also see the export options that are here. So you can export the self-hosted SCORM as well as export the SCORM here and the other information. And there we go. So really, really simple here. Now, what we want to do, you can manage users and groups, review, you have a report. You can also edit this up if you want. And we have everything that we need. If you're trying to generate courses and you're thinking, how exactly am I going to do this? Well, this is exactly how you're going to make it simple. So, ready to see how simple it is to build an interactive course can be? Check out the link and create your first course for free. And that's it for the video today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful to you. And also make sure if you enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And leave a comment.